What is going to happen? 8 o'clock. What does it want to do? The Vanguard apparently is going to go down by 5 points. Which is still really high. But then that's not the right one. This is like a budget version of it. 69. Not too... Oh my goodness. Do you know what? That is not too bad at all. Is it going to stay there? Is it going to stay there? I think I should cash. But it's not gone down now. It's not, it's staying up. It's staying up. Barclays is... It's not terrible, to be honest, at all. Oh, IG's down. That's not a surprise because it's planes, isn't it? Maybe he's going to get on a plane anytime soon. But then that industry's shutting, isn't it? 2.4, it's only 0.7, 0.4, 2.4, 1.2. HSBC is up. Yeah, Tesco's just going to go. Oh, here we go. 68.4. AstraZeneca is up. How far does this want to go down? That's the question. That's the question right now. Seven, 8. Yeah, it's doing its usual fluctuating. It's tried to come back. I mean, this is the budget version of it, to be fair. 67.9. Hold on. FTSE 100. So it's down 14 points. It's slightly worse, I think, than they thought it was going to be. 0.26%. That's not terrible, though. That is not terrible at all. Oh, I should have cashed. No, it's still fluctuating. It's always going to happen. Look at that, from 67.4 to 68 to 68.4, back down. It's just crazy. I thought it was going to be a lot worse, to be fair. But then we know it's going to be a month or 4 weeks. Oh yeah, this is always going to happen because this industry is shutting. A bit like, I bet the gym group will be down. Yeah, 1.7%. And things like, what was the other one I was looking at? Because it went down so low. Super dry. Down 5.6%. Oh, it's at 171 now. It came back quite a bit recently. It went down to like, yeah, 90. That's up to 170. Yeah, but look at this. Look at that, it was at 550. That's crazy. I'm now looking at this thinking if it hovers above 67, I'll be pleased. That's crazy fluctuation for a minute, isn't it? A whole point. Barclays, even, I mean, it's all crazy at the moment. People don't know what to do. They don't know what to do. But if it stays level, it was about 70.1, wasn't it? That it opened at. That's why it closed at last week. If it stays around that target, 69.70, come 8:30, 9 o'clock, you expect it to just go up after that, really, to a certain extent. Because the industry isn't shutting, which is absolutely massive. No, it keeps going down. It's down 20 points now, the FTSE. What else? I was going to look at another stock, but I can't remember which one it's going to be. Okay, so Lloyd's is down. What was HSBC was up? It's still up. HSBC's is rising. It's like the Phoenix. Oh, okay, but it's down from when it opened. I don't know how it opened up here. People love it. This will be really interesting after lockdown ends. Or even slightly before. What was it like sort of March period? Wow. At 584. Oh no, it's February. But even then, 580. Because I think it's a worldwide company, which is why I think February. Because that's when I think sort of other European countries went into lockdown. Or at least sort of Asia at that time. South Korea, those type of places. This would be one to really look at. Sort of come towards the end of lockdown. As long as Rolls Royce come back. If it can and I can sell it off for a profit, that'd be good. But I ballsed it up. I'm at 80. I've got a long way to go yet. Got to sit back, relax, take it all in. Ooh, that's a big. See, I don't know why I'm looking at this one. This budget one. Let me look at the actual one. Whoa! It's now only down 5 points. It's shot back up. It's down 0.091%. That's crazy. It's really not too bad. Well, we'll see how it lasts over the course of today. Be interesting what people do. But the thing is, everybody bought into Rolls Royce. So I don't know whether people will keep buying it. Who's going to keep buying it? To get it back up. Whether some massive company will come in. Because they're so cheap at the moment. Who knows? I think if they announced that they wanted to raise as much as they did, following the right share, then people will start investing in it again. But I don't know when they will know that. And fourth quarter wouldn't be until January. Barclays is coming back. Let's come back a little bit. 91. But after today, will they just start going up? But then we don't know what's going to happen after the December, 4th of December, whatever, 1st of December, whatever it is, whatever date it is. $68.60, that's not terrible. That is not terrible. BP, oil is down. Vodafone. Look at that. On these UK stocks, half of them are up. Literally half of them are down. So banks and... Banks is coming back. No, they're not. Banks and all are down. Groceries, whatever you want to call them. Retail. Essential retail is up. And these drug companies, because they ain't going to shut, are they? I mean, pharmacies aren't going to shut, so they'll still be selling their crap. AstraZeneca, God, if they get the right vaccine, is it what's that? Is that £78? Is it £78 a flipping share? That's outrageous. If that goes, if that gets the COVID vaccine, that would be incredible. Oh, here we go. 10 minutes in. It's still only 0.07% down in the FTSE. Interesting times. It's only down 3%, which isn't actually too bad. Although it's... Wait, your card is up 6%, well. But then it's worse than others. But then it's such a fluctuating stock at the moment, Rolls Royce. What do I have in my watch list? Adidas is slightly down. Come on. Let's go back up, boys. Let's go back up. What would be interesting though, I don't know whether I don't think the US election will affect it that much individually. But it might affect the FTSE. But I don't know. I don't know who's the better winner in terms of for the stock market. Trump is the businessman. But I don't know. I don't know what happened last time round, to be honest. That's 4 years ago, blimey. See, it's not tumbling massively at the moment. Or is it? No, not really. Not really. 67.8. Oh, come on. It's down 3.42 now. Oh, HSBC's lost all that momentum. I mean, it didn't have any momentum, but kind of did when it first came in for the day. I think half an hour in is the key. Because I think if you sold off... I mean, people are going to buy and sell anyway. Because that's what day traders do. There's enough of them. Although you can't really day trade UK stocks. Because they're flipping 0.5% tax. Unbelievable. But it's not, I mean, regardless, it's not looking too bad. I was thinking this could hit 60. But I mean, generally it's not too bad. And not a lockdown has just been announced. Well, technically we haven't entered it yet. I think today's will be the worst day. Rather than Thursday when it actually comes in. That's what you imagine anyway. pressed the wrong button. That's what happens. $69. Oh, it's bounced back well. 69.1. Let's go. I kind of want IAG should just keep going down, to be honest. But you can't have everything, can you? You can't have everything. Here we go, boys, here we go. 15 minutes in, I told you. Shoot up, lad, shoot up. And Barclays is doing bugger all, so this is great. I don't believe it will get much lower than 60. I think that's what people are thinking. It's not going to get much lower than 67. We'll see what happens when lockdown comes in. Lockdown's been announced. We've come down a little bit, and now people are like, well, let's go for it. Aston Martin is down 5%, really? That's quite interesting. I mean, it went up massively the other start last week. But I don't know why it would. Because as I say, the car industry is still going, which is absolutely massive. Tom Taylor Holden. Top losers, let's have a look. It's only down 13% the top one. Marston's. Cineworld. Oh yeah, of course. Cineworld, the restaurant group. Of course, here we're going to go down. Aston Martin's just tumbling and tumbling, mate. It's holding its own. This has come down a little bit. This is holding. Oh, so we got Jet 2, yeah, of course. Oil, yeah, oil is down today. Oh, 0.27 it's come down again, the FTSE. Which is why I think Barclays dropped, wasn't it? But my man Rolls Royce held its own. Good lad. Good lad, good lad. I think long term, IAG is to play. I'm hoping Rolls Royce won't be as long. I mean, you could play the long game and hope it goes 3 or 4 times from when you bought it. But I think if you hit 20%, I think you'd be happy. Then go to IAG, potentially. But then you still wouldn't trust it at the moment. Because just people aren't flying. And especially we're in winter now anyway. I suppose you can't. I suppose it is an international company. So just because Europe's in winter doesn't matter too much. But people just obviously can't fly now anyway. It's only Essential flights. So if this could hover below 90, that would be lovely. Oh, I think this will come back a little bit, to be fair. There's a very, very volatile stock anyway. This is kind of flattened out now. Oh, look at this. It's on the up. They're all on the up. They all had a massive jump. Not a massive jump, but like a gap. Did it just go up, did it? Yeah, 0.16. 0.016, sorry. It did go up. Didn't happen to Rolls Royce, did it? Bloody stayed the same as this one here, I think. 820. No, 822, even worse. It went down slightly. Not really. Kind of. See, I don't know why that's... Oh, I think it came in at here. Yeah, it did go down. Yeah, open below. 694. S&P 500. That's up %. Not too bad, actually. Not too bad. I think people are expecting a lot worse, to be honest. But it just never happened. Never really happened at all. Oh shit, here we go. Oh, it is going down. Maybe people jumped up from 67 to 69 and thought, I'll take that couple of points for 3% or so. I'll take that. I'll move on. Or they just decided to short it as well. I don't know. Although short is like buying, isn't it? No, it's not. But you know, no, I'm not going to start a conversation. I don't really know what I'm talking about. Right, 25 past. I think that'll be that for today. Just see what happens on the next candle. What's the 5-minute man saying? Yeah, super fluctuating. Not a lot really, because I'm up here, man. I'm flipping. No, I'm not even up here. I'm flipping miles away. Oh, it's down again. Crap. What's the next stick saying then? Ah, rubbish. Come back. Nope, nothing. Okay, it's starting to slow now. Now we're 25 minutes in. Starting to slow a lot. Alright. Nope. No, a little bit. Yeah, it's starting to slow. Alrighty, I'm off. 26 minutes in. Back tomorrow, 8 p.m. 8 a.m. roughly. GMT? Yeah, we're GMT now, I think. We'll see how it goes over the course of the day. If we can get back up to 70, that would be beautiful. But we'll see.